Hello guys, this is my second video of Mi Band. Last time I made a video of Xiaomi Mi Band 2 unboxing. Uh, it's been a week or so that I've been using this band, and it turned out to be fabulous. It's a very good build quality, lots of good features, and I've had a really good experience of using it. So now I have ordered another band for it, uh, the pattern band for Mi Band 2, and today it came. It's also a good quality band, but it doesn't feel as premium as the real thing. Feels kind of flimsy. The finishing is not that good as the real band, but at the price of rupees 350, I wasn't expecting as much. The clip is also kind of plastic, and it's a bit smaller as compared to the real one. It is quite sturdy, strong metal kind of. I don't know if plastic, it's metal, but feels good. And this one feels very flimsy. The weight is less than the original. Uh, the other thing I noticed is that the original had a good, was easy to insert the module in the original one. But in this one, it takes some effort to insert it, and I can't do it with one hand. As you can see, now it's done. Yes. It is in place. Yes, now it's in place. As you can see, it's quite fit in this. So let's use it for a while, then I'll give an update of how it is. And this one was hypoallergic and exclaimed by the Xiaomi company that it's as the module waterproof. I don't know if it's hypoallergic. The material is kind of same, but it's quite thin. Let's see. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.